Hi everyone, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here today with my Country Craft Creations design team package for, this is for March and April, so it's got a lot of goodies in it, and it is featuring the Echo Park Mermaid collection, which is super cute. So let's look here. We have the 4x4s, and this is still going to be a mini album. And then the mermaid scales. In the collection we have some solids that match perfectly. This one is Mermaid Dreams Purple Pink. I've got two of those. And this one is teal yellow. So when you're looking at the collections, just look for the navy and light purple. And then the patterns, we got a green polka dot, and then on the a shell, and then on the back a green polka dot. So I like it when they put a pattern on the front and then kind of like a solid, or just a simple pattern on the back. And then we have our borders, and then I love this paper. It's got little shells and stars. The 4x6 make an album design to showcase these cut aparts because I love them. And then the navy and the mermaid tails. Navy in the mermaids in small print. And then another light paper. It's got the stars and then like water droplets. Like mermaid crowns. And a check on the back, like a large check. And then we have 4x6 going in the landscape direction. Oh, purple on purple bubbles, cute. Another small pattern. We've got mermaids, baby mermaids, fish, and a purple stripe. Cute. Wow, there's a lot of patterns. A navy with seahorses and bubbles on the back. Sea creatures on the lighter color and mermaid scale on the back. And then a bit larger scale mermaid on a white background, but the same pattern as the small one here. So that's cool. Alright, and then on the back of that we have like a watercolor or paint, not really watercolor, but a paint. It's called Mystic Mermaids. 3x4 cut apart. Super cute. With coral on the back. And then we have some purple called Amethyst Jewel, and it is, yep, you can see it. It has a sheen to it, and so does this one. So this is perfect, and this one is called Irish Cream, and again it has that sheen to it. Perfect for mermaids, shiny, magical. This one is Bittersweet. It also has that shine, cute. We have two pieces of chipboard, definitely going to use those. We have the sticker collection, which I love to get the stickers. It just gets that extra accent. Cute. I love these. So 12x12 sticker sheet. And then we have ephemera. Oh no, this is frames and tags. That's interesting. I don't know that I've ever gotten these. So, cute tag. See, there's a little hole in it already. There we go. And then this is a frame. This inside pops out here. Oh, these will be cute to use, huh? So you have this, and then the frame that goes along with it. This is also a frame, sparkle and shine, a tag, a flag, and then just a long strip. That would be good for like a tuck spot, or to go along the bottom of a picture or photo mat. Another one of those long strips. That's a tag. Yeah, so it's a lot like the ephemera packs, but it also includes pre-cut tags and pre-cut frames. This one's a frame here. So that'd be cute to put, like, even, you can even, like, let's say you don't want to put a picture in there, you can even just put like a piece of solid cardstock and then one of the stickers in there, kind of like to showcase the stickers. It's a tag, another frame. Some cute little ephemera pieces. A little tag, make waves, waving hello, celebrate. That would be cute for a birthday card. Always be yourself unless you can be a mermaid. Then always be a mermaid. And then a tag that is a frame. So that's neat. Okay. So those are cute little frames and tags. We have the chipboard. And again, these are cute, nice accents. Brings a whole different texture to your album. Super cute. You can also, I like taking these and glossy accenting the back, putting a hole in it and hanging it from the charm on your tassel on your mini albums. I like doing that. And then we have Prima flowers, and these match the collection very well. They are from the Moon Child collection. So Prima Moon Child will give you the flowers that match this collection. You can see the purples and the yellows match. Alright, so perfect. Alright, you guys. So that's my design team package for March and April. Oh, hang on, I forgot my stuff here. My seam binding and my ribbon. These are my textiles. We have a cream, a yellow, a tan, a navy, and I love that navy, and a purple like bubble. Perfect. Alright, so I thank you very much, and stop by countrycraftcreations.com. You can, I'll put all the links in the description below. You can pick up this package before I start my projects, and you can work along with me. So I thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.